Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
पानी ऐसे करते हैं मैम.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Please, today, all of you take a copy so that we will have a written revision. एक written revision करवाएंगे आज. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
All the 3 chapters which we have revised earlier, जो पहले हम लोग रिवाइज कर लिए हैं, उसी का हम क्वेश्चंस ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखते हैं. आप लोग उसको सॉल्व करके दिखाइए. And please don't try to take the help of your book. Because children, what are you all doing? Can make out from the test, online test. जो आंसर बुक में नहीं रहता है वो आंसर आप लोग लिखते हो नेट से, तो वो कैसे लिखते हो? आप लोग कॉपी करते हो, इसका मतलब that is not done, children. You are harming yourself. Okay, let us start.
Ma'am,
Two
do we
question
have
each
to
from-
do questions?
Yes, I am writing on the blackboard. Please watch. I will write on the blackboard from all the 3 chapters. तीनों chapters से रहेगा.
Ma'am, do we have to write the questions also?
If it is possible, you can write it. लिख लो ताकि आपको क्वेश्चन में कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
लिख लोगे तो ठीक रहेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
आप लोग को ब्लैक बोर्ड क्लियरली दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is clear.
And you will start writing.
मैम आपने रिलेशनशिप के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Explain. नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
मैम उस यस मैम हो.
अब हुआ? Is
यस
it
मैम.
clear now? हाँ, चलो.
यस मैम.
ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't wait for all the questions to come on the blackboard. एक क्वेश्चन लिखिए, उसका आंसर आप लोग लिखिए. What is going on? Whose voice is coming? Please mute your mic. Just now. Anushka, mute your mic.
Ma'am, I have joined right now. Can you tell me what is going on class?
Yes, it is a revision work of chapter 1, 2, 3. We are doing written revision. You note down the question from the blackboard and start writing.
Okay, ma'am.
And all of you please try that you will not take the help of the book. नहीं आता है तो नहीं लिखिएगा, but don't just cheat yourself.
मैम सिर्फ आंसर लिखना है.
You can write the question also, children. So that you remember what questions we have revised. और क्या आप लोग उसमें learn है नहीं है, फिर बाद में भूल जाओगे ना.
ओके मैम.
When you all complete question number 1, then you tell me. I'll give you the other question.
Ma'am, question number 1 is completed.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जब लिख लेंगे.
Question number 1 and 2 is completed.
Okay, all of you complete it. I'm waiting for 5 minutes.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, camera
हाँ.
थोड़ा नीचे कर. Ma'am, camera थोड़ा
हाँ,
नीचे
okay.
कर.
I'll just writing. After writing, I'll do it. Wait a minute. दिख रहा है अब?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 5 minutes, I will rub the first and second question. So be ready. इसीलिए बोले क्वेश्चन जो लिख रहे हो उसको नोट कर लो. Completed, children? Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Two also completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one and
And all of you be ready for your exam. Now the exam is will be just conducted in September. तो आपको written practice भी आना चाहिए.
मैम एग्जाम ऑनलाइन होगा कि ऑफलाइन?
अभी तो आप जब आप लोग 16 से स्कूल आइएगा तब ना पता चलेगा कि अभी ऑफलाइन होगा ऑनलाइन होगा. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What is the difference? That you will sit at home and you will copy. Don't ask these
No,
type
ma'am.
of questions. Then ऑफलाइन हो ऑनलाइन हो आपको हर समय रेडी रहना है, prepared, well prepared. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? आप जब आप पढ़ के रहिएगा तो आप ऑफलाइन दीजिए ऑनलाइन दीजिए, जो भी पूछा जाएगा आप लोग आंसर करिएगा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम रबिंग. What are the different types of chemical reaction? Explain giving examples of for each.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर में जो दिया हुआ है ड्रॉ नीट वेल लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, मैम उसमें कलर करना है.
No, not need to color, but you should draw it and label it. Labeling is important. Coloring is not important.
मैम फिफ्थ एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, फिफ्थ नंबर पे लिखना है उसका मैम केमिकल
क्या?
रिएक्शन का. मैम केमिकल रिएक्शन का definition लिखना है जितना उसका काइंड है.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन एक बार आप पढ़ दीजिए ना.
Pardon?
she is telling that repeat the fourth question.
Fourth
Excuse
question
me,
is
ma'am.
state in 1 or 2 sentences each the various processes involved in nutrition in ruminant animals. State.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम फिफ्थ नंबर
हाँ,
पे जो
बोलिए.
केमिकल मैम जो फिफ्थ नंबर पे जो केमिकल रिएक्शन का है उसका मैम डिफिनेशन भी लिखना है काइंड का.
What are them different types of chemical reaction? I have written explain. Explain means you have to give the explanation, definition, and write the examples for each. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है.
नहीं दिख रहा है? 4 हो गया सबका, नोट कर लिए?
Yes,
रुको,
ma'am.
Just wait.
Yes.
Now is it clear? हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4th आप एक बार नोट कर लो. I'm just telling, अगर ज्यादा visibility कम है तो एक बार नोट कर लीजिए आप लोग. State in 1 or 2 sentences. This is 4th question. State in 1 or 2 sentences each the various processes involved in nutrition in ruminant animals. Who has completed question number 1 and 2?
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed. I have completed, ma'am.
Completed.
Completed.
Student 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Writing question all of you complete first, then diagram you will do. पहले writing वाला कर लीजिए, तब diagram वाला करिएगा, ठीक है? So that we can discuss the answer also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
डायग्राम में आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ना, इसलिए पहले राइटिंग वाला कर लीजिए, डायग्राम प्रैक्टिस आप लोग होमवर्क में भी कर ले सकते हैं. You can come on the screen also, children. Some of you please come on the screen. Ankur? Ankur, what are you doing? Are you writing?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Screen खोलिए आप लोग अपना. Just open the screen. I just want to see that you all are writing. All the participants. Yash Kumar, open your screen. Abhigya, one by one.
Ma'am, my screen
Abhigya?
is open. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is open.
Okay, ठीक है.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Who are you? Name please.
Ma'am, Ashish.
Ashish, okay. Ashish, you tell me the first question. Come on the screen. Answer of the first question.
Ma'am, what is symbiotic relationship? Give example. Ma'am, sometimes two organisms live in close association. They develop a relationship that is beneficial to both. Is called symbiotic relationship. Ma'am, example: fungi and algae. This relationship. Ma'am,
Bolo.
fungi and algae. This relationship is known as lichen. Ma'am, lichen is a living partnership that is beneficial to both. Fungus absorb water and provide shelter, and algae prepare food by the process of photosynthesis.
Very good, Ashish.
Ma'am, can I answer the second one? Ma'am, can I answer
Yes.
the second?
By coming on
Ma'am,
the screen. Second question.
can I answer?
Second question.
Ma'am, Anushka.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
can
done.
I encode
Ma'am, I have done Anushka.
Oh, Abhigya has told me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhigya. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, why would the life not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis? Ma'am, life would not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. But in photosynthesis process, plant absorb carbon
Yes.
dioxide and release oxygen. And oxygen gas is very important to all the living being to live. Ma'am, हो गया.
मैम अंजनी कुमार मैम मैम
हाँ,
अंजनी कुमार
अंजनी बोलिए. अंजनी टेल.
मैम आदित्य
Come
राय
on the
क्लास सेवन.
screen.
मैम आदित्य.
One by one, children, wait. एक करके.
यस यस
You
मैम
will
यस
answer
मैम
the fourth question or second question.
यस मैम
जो भी क्वेश्चन बोलोगे वो क्वेश्चन रिपीट करोगे. Open your screen.
Ma'am, I will answer the fifth number.
मैम ओपन है
No,
मैम
no. Ashish, you have got the chance now. Now
The
Anjani
light-
will say.
the life not possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis because during photosynthesis plant take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This releasing oxygen is utilized by living organisms for their survival.
Okay, correct. Next,
The
will tell
question Sally के बारे.
Shally. Okay, Shally tell. आइए स्क्रीन पर आइए.
मैम मेरा नेटवर्क
Come on
इशू
the
है इसलिए मैं
screen.
वीडियो ऑन प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
चलो बोलो आंसर बोलो.
Okay, ma'am. What are the different types of chemical reaction? Explain giving examples for each of the following. First, combination reaction. A chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new product is called combination reaction. For example, combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas is equal to 2H2 plus O2, which is equal to 2H2O. And then second one is
Yes.
decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained to form a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. For example,
Yes.
limestone, on strong heating, limestone decompose into quick lime and carbon dioxide gas. Like CaCO3 by heat is equal to CaCO plus CO2. Then third one is
correct.
displacement. A chemical reaction in which one element displaces the another in a compound is called displacement reaction. For example, iron means Fe plus CuSO4 is which result in FeSO4 plus Cu. Then fourth one is
Yes.
neutralization reaction. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is a neutralization reaction. For example, sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid NaOH plus HCl, which result in NaCl plus H2O.
Here you will also tell that in a neutralization reaction, salt and water is formed. This line also you will add in
Ma'am,
it.
can I Ankur Anand?
Yes, Ankur, Ankur, बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. The different
Third,
types of
fourth question you have written. Ankur, fourth one.
no, ma'am, that is not yet complete.
Which one you have written?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
take
will-
question number 5, leaving question number 4.
Okay, 5 you say.
Yes,
Say.
sir. The different types of chemical reaction are combination reaction. A chemical reaction in which two substances combine together to form one substance to form a new substance is known as combination reaction. Example is 2H2 plus O2 results in 2H2O. Then is decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from single reactant is called a decomposition reaction. Example is 2H2O results in 2H2 plus O2. Then displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound. Example is uh, iron plus copper sulfate results in iron sulfate plus copper.
Yes.
Then is neutralization reaction. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base, a chemical reaction between acid and a base resulting in salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Example is sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid results in sodium chloride plus water.
Yes, correct. Now, who will answer question number
Ma'am, can
4?
I also? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I ask?
I will answer
Sakshi?
Shally Tiwari.
No,
Ma'am, can I
Shally, Anushka, have you written question number 4?
No, ma'am. Question number 5.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, can
Who
I
else?
question number 4?
Ashish, you have written question 4?
yes, ma'am.
Ashish,
Yes, ma'am, I will return.
बोलिए. Okay, right, tell.
Ma'am,
Fourth
ma'am,
question.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the throat chewing of food during ruminants help to break down the rich cellulose content of the plant material. This breakdown make it easy for this animal to digest the cellulose content.
और आपको इसमें explain करना होगा.
मैम, मैं बता सकती हूँ इसका शैली तिवारी.
Yes, बोलिए, Shally. You will have to explain, Ashish. 2-3 sentence आपको पूरे steps का बोलना है. What are the different steps in nutrition? Shally, you speak, please.
Okay, ma'am. First, the ruminant animal first swallow the food quickly and store them in their rumen. Second, the microorganisms present in the rumen helps in partial digestion of the cellulose of the plant material. This is now called cud. The ruminants later on bring the cud back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process is called rumination. Fourth, the thorough chewing of the food during the rumination help to break down the rich cellulose content into plant materials. Fifth, the ruminants also have a spacious bag-like structure between a small intestine and large intestine called the cacum. The bacteria present in the cacum helps in the further digestion of the cellulose of the food.
Okay, very good. Now,
Can I say a
those
Sakshi?
who have written it-
Ma'am, can I Abhigya?
Okay, wait a minute.
Can I
those-
Sakshi?
Wait a minute. I am giving some instruction. Those who have written this answer short, they will complete it like this. And if you need help, you can ask each other on the WhatsApp. Clear? जो अभी who told just now? Sakshi was speaking. No,
Ma'am,
Shally
Abhigya,
was
ma'am,
speaking.
Ma'am,
Shally.
Abhigya.
Shally,
Can I
आप इस आंसर
Sakshi?
को you listen, children. When I am speaking, you just wait. You all have lost all the manners, I think. So here, when those who have written it incomplete, Shally, please help them to write the complete answer. Clear? Now after
Yes,
that,
ma'am. Can I
Abhigya, what do you want to tell?
Ma'am, can I
Which
answer
answer?
the same? Ma'am, 4.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, the ruminants animal eat the first the ruminants animal swallow the food quickly and store it in their rumens. The rumen has a microorganism which help the particles to swallow the cell. This food is and so,
Something is wrong there. Sakshi, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. The ruminants first swallow their food, then in the rumen, the microorganism of rumen help the food into partially digestion. Then the ruminants bring their food from mouth and then chew it properly. This process is called rumination. Ma'am, completed.
No, after that also you will write 2 sentences. That it is carried out into carried to the this bag-like structure, which is this spacious bag-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. This is called cecum. The bacteria present in the cecum help in further digestion of the cellulose of the food. This sentence also you have to add. Please take complete answer, appropriate answer Shali has written, and you will take the help. Shali, please help them to complete this answer properly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will send it on the group of
Ma'am,
7.
I got disconnected. Ma'am, can I answer this question?
I think the time is up. ठीक है, बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first the
Bolo.
ruminants. Ma'am, first the ruminants will swallow their food quickly and store it in their cecum. Ma'am, store it in their rumens. The rumens has some microorganism that helps this part that helps in the partial digestion of the cellulose of the plant. This food is now called the cud. The ruminants later bring this cud back on their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process is called rumination. The ruminants also have a special bag-like structure between their small intestine and large intestine. This is called their cecum. The bacteria present in their cecum helps in the further digestion of the cellulose of the food in ruminants. Ma'am, done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Excuse
बोलिए.
मैम, ये जो 4th नंबर वाला क्वेश्चन है जिसमें मैंने आपने बोला कि अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, तो मैम उसका अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर क्या होगा?
जो अभी बोल रही है शाली, साक्षी सबने बोला है ना,
Excuse me,
वही
ma'am.
आंसर होगा. हाँ.
Ma'am, but in question it is written to write in 2
Yes,
sentences.
it is in 1-2 sentences each. Means that is your steps should be written in 1-2 sentences. ये आप ध्यान दो. Questions state in 1-2 sentences each. The various processes involved. So you have to explain all the steps in 1 or 2 sentences. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then only the process will be complete. Otherwise, it will look incomplete. The answer will look incomplete. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Ma'am, now can I answer question
अब
number
हो गया
5?
है time. Who is going to answer?
I'm Riddhima.
Ma'am, Riddhima.
Ridhima, okay. Ridhima,
Yes,
बोलिए.
ma'am. Ma'am, what are the different type of chemical reaction? Explain giving example for each. Ma'am, the different types of chemical reaction are combination reaction. Ma'am, a chemical reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a new product is known as combination reaction. Example, 2H2O plus O2 will give 2H2O. Decomposition reaction, a chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant, is known as decomposition reaction. Example, 2H2O will give 2H2 plus O2. Now, displacement reaction, a chemical reaction in which one element displace another in a compound, is known as displacement reaction. Example,